What's up, YouTube? I'm Rob.
And this is Nick.
Coffee and Crypto back here. We are going to talk about, is crypto dead? Because it might be, and we want to give you the answer. But before we get into it, please like this video and subscribe, as it helps out our channel and the growth, because we're here committed to you for the long term with education and market analysis in the crypto space. And if crypto is dead, we're not going to be around much longer. That's a joke. But let's get into it. Is crypto dead? Well, there's a lot of ways to look at it, but I would say let's talk about why it could be dead first, and then
just give me
the
a quick
bullish reasons.
Yes or no answer. Is crypto dead, Rob? Yes or no?
Is crypto dead? Well, let's talk about why it would be dead.
Well, I'm going to say yes. I believe crypto is dead.
I'll give you some reasons why it could be dead.
Okay, tell me why you think crypto is dead.
Well,
because we got the red sign behind us. You're wearing a red shirt.
You could argue we're in a recession right now, even though the numbers haven't printed yet. And in a recession, and in this, in an economic environment like we're in now, risk assets sell off first. Money's getting sucked out of the economy. Interest rates go up. So crypto is going to sell off big time. People are getting out. People need money to, pay for rent, pay for gas, pay for rice and beans, pay for necessities. So most people aren't going to invest in, well, at least retail is not going to invest in crypto right now because they're worried about safety and security. So that's one. So one is the economic environment and climate. Number two is we had this massive bull run where it lured a ton of retail in. You can stake on this platform and get interest rates. You're seeing ads everywhere, partnerships with all these major, companies, UFC, NASCAR. You got all the meme coins coming out. You have celebrities, influencers. So you have this humongous retail draw pulling people in, and all those people, not all of them, but majority of them got burned. They lost money. They got burned and they're out of the market. And a lot of those people may never come back. So that kind of burned a segment. Number three is what happens if crypto gets regulated hard? What happens if Bitcoin and all the cryptos get regulated? Then, and it's illegal. Then what do you do? I mean, you're in trouble then.
I'm moving to El Salvador.
Number four is, what if it's all Ponzi? What if there's some like backdoor code on Bitcoin that just sucks out all the money, and then everyone's a bag holder, and it ends up being a big Ponzi? What if Satoshi really programmed it in for like a certain date?
No, dude. Let me say something.
All right, so those are my four reasons why crypto could be dead.
I said absolutely crypto is dead. And the only reason I say that is because when I think of crypto, or when most people I think of crypto, they think of like, what is that one? Shiba Inu. They like the most popular meme coins that have come out. I think any crypto that does not have any type of utility in this, or any sort of blockchain that is helping the world improve in some way or adding efficiency to the marketplace, those are going to be dead, or are going to be dead in like the next 2-3 years, because I believe we're getting a major flushing out of coins that don't provide any utility. They were all based on hype. I think money is going to probably flow to the top 10 to 15 projects that are the best in their space, and that their blockchain does something that adds efficiency to the marketplace, adds some sort of value or utility to the marketplace. So I would say 98% of the cryptos out there are going to zero. So you need to be very careful in picking what you're investing in right now, because this is the start of the flushing out. Every cycle, like every bull cycle and bear cycle, in the bear markets, there's coins that were around in 2017 that aren't around anymore. They have just disappeared, gone to zero. Everyone pulled their money out. So that's what I mean by when I say crypto is dead. However, there's huge opportunity. What do you think, Rob?
That's a good point. I think if you, like we're on Coin Market Cap right now because that's where all the top 100 coins are on this first page. If you just go down this list and you click into any of these projects, so let's just pick a random one. Uh, um,
ApeCoin. Go up.
I don't know about ApeCoin. Let's find something down a little bit lower. All right, I like basic attention token. So if you just go down, this is number 67. What is basic attention token? Well, you can click on the website and you can see, okay, making crypto and DeFi accessible and usable for everyone. So digital advertising, okay, digital advertising is a humongous market, humongous, um, there's humongous amounts of revenue in the advertising space. So basic attention token and Brave, it's a browser and it's a play on a privacy browser and then basically like decentralizing the ads.
You're somehow wearing the color of their logo today.
Yeah,
also,
there you go.
Awesome.
It's because I like the project. Anyway, this company is attacking a big addressable market. They have a good product and they have strong leadership and they have a lot of money behind them. And they've been through cycles before.
Yeah, they've been around at least through the last bull market. I know they've been around.
When did they come out? They came out in 2017. And that was the peak there.
20,
yeah. So they've been around. This project's not going anywhere. It was very credible. So a project like this is not going anywhere. But there are some projects that are just, it's a meme, it's Ponzi-nomics, it's going to be gone. So you want to look for projects that are going to be built and sustain and weather the long-term ups and downs.
Example like Ape Token, Shiba Inu, unless Elon Musk decides randomly one day he wants to integrate Shiba Inu into like Tesla, like the Tesla marketplace or something like that. But unless it somehow gains some utility, all these meme tokens are backed by nothing other than hype. That's it.
So yeah, with all these projects, if it looks like it's a legit company, they have strong leadership, they have money behind them, and they're attacking a big addressable market, then they're likely to be around for the long term. Also with crypto, I think for the short term now, with the given macroeconomic environment, you can consider it quote unquote dead price wise, but these companies will still continue building, growing, hiring, and scaling their companies in the bear market because they don't care about the price of their token. They care about building a long-term sustainable business that provides value to the marketplace. So those are the companies you want to look out for. And as far as crypto being dead, quote unquote, right now, yeah, you can consider that for right now. But when quantitative tightening loosens and money is loose again, there's more liquidity in the market, it's going to be risk on again, and money is going to flow back into risk assets like crypto and drive the prices back up because we just experienced a massive bull run and a lot of people made money. And this is a 24/7 market that people can make money in, and no one wants to, people aren't just going to, do one trip and then forget it. People are going to want to come back, invest, do the same thing all over again, and keep, riding this roller coaster for as long as they can. So people are going to want to invest in risk assets again when money is back into the market. So when that happens, we don't know, but it will happen eventually. But yeah, crypto is not dead, especially there's tons of companies that are still building, hiring, getting investment capital. There's exciting niches, metaverse, Web3, centralized finance, all that stuff. So I do not think crypto is dead. It's definitely in a downturn right now, but in the long term, it is a good risk investment to get into. And there's some legitimate companies coming out and building. Nick, why don't we hear your thoughts?
Yeah, one final thought, unless you have anything else to say on this.
Nope, that was it.
All right. I was just looking up here. what you were talking about, like when the Fed comes back and maybe they're going to start loosening monetarily, people are going to come back into risk assets. You want to make sure that if you are investing right now in the bear market, to do your own research. And I just wanted to come to the top of Coin Market Cap, really quick, and take a look at. There's almost 20,000 cryptocurrencies right now. I mean, what percentage of those do you think are going to survive this bear market? I guarantee you that over 90%, probably more like 95 to 98% of those are not going to survive. So you need to be very diligent in doing your research and figuring out what projects you believe are going to use their blockchain technology to solve like a niche problem in the market, add efficiency, that has utility that people are going to want to spend their hard-earned money on, to like, or businesses are going to want to invest in to either expand their business or add efficiency to their business. So just be very careful, because there's 20,000 cryptos out there right now, and it's not going to be like that. It's like this bear market is going to weed out, I would say, almost 99% of them. So is crypto dead? Yes, but
Temporarily.
no, I would say yes, but with exception. If you put money in the projects that I just talked, the projects that fit the criteria that I just talked about, no, it's not dead. That's so yes, it's kind of a multi-layered.
Actually, one thing that could really kill it would be if Tether turned out to be a Ponzi and that whole thing unwind.
The market will get over it. It'll just drop Bitcoin's price lower. But anyways, yes, I answered the question. You answered the question. I think we can wrap it up.
I think
there.
it's temporarily dead price wise, given the environment, but long term, no.
And Rob and I are not financial advisors. Do your own research before investing any of your hard-earned money into crypto, and we will see you guys next time.
Actually, wait, one last thing. Temporarily dead is actually a good thing if you're looking to get in, because buy low, sell high. So there you go.
See you guys.
See ya.